my lovelies, in this pan I just have some butter, some cinnamon, pinch of salt, and I have my sweetener. So I'm just letting this come to a little boil so it doesn't burn. Okay. Then I'm going to put my pecans in. Okay, now I'm taking my pecans and I'm making sure that every last one is covered. And this is just my sweetener. And a little pinch of salt, cinnamon, and butter. And once I have these all fully coated, I'm going to lay them out on my parchment sheet. Okay, my lovelies, here they are. And I have set them in the refrigerator for like maybe 5 minutes. They're nicely coated. And got a nice little candied. See that little candied piece on there. Wow, these are delicious. I forgot to also mention I added butter. So I think I did mention butter, but anyway. But this is a great quick snack for you sweet tooth keto lovers out there. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus. You can follow me on Keto Life Plus 50 on Instagram. And please share and like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.